We got like 8 more.
Just 4 of us.
Okay. Good, guys.
What do you think?
Riders up.
What do you think about the Specialized Epic with the brain?
That's what I had before this.
Oh, cool.
I rode that last year. There are certain things I miss about it.
Yeah.
Like it's automatic locking out of the rear shock. You know, the whole brain functionality. Yeah. Yeah. Here, I'll slow down and wait here. So the thing that I loved about it is the sending capability of the brain, where it just locks out at the times when, you know, you don't have a bump impact. So it's a very efficient peddler with that. Oh, here comes a rider. You coming down this way?
What year did you have?
2003 or 4.
Oh, okay.
Around there. And I had that for a bunch of seasons.
Nice.
And then I just got this one last year.
Nice.
All right, we got the group. Or I guess we still have Gavin. Sorry, do you want to pass us or? No. Oh, okay.
Just like
we just
me.
have, I think, 2 more that are right behind us. Yeah, so thank you. All right. The downside is it has a clunk.
Yeah.
For the suspension to activate. It's one of those things where I continuously would have the feeling like, did I not inflate my tires all the way? Am I getting rim strikes? So I kept having that phantom feeling that I'm getting rim strikes.
Yeah, so I rode those bikes. And when it was on all the way, it felt like I had played.
Yeah.
But when it was turned down to like towards the left,
The fade.
it felt like 140. It felt really good.
So you're talking about that brain fade?
Yeah.
Whoa, I almost went off. I guess I shouldn't talk while I'm biking and looking back. Whew, that was close. So even descending, I would have fast times descending.
It's relatively slack. I'm looking at one from 2019. It's got like a 67.5-degree head angle, which is it's pretty steep. But like for a full-on XC bike, that's pretty decent.
Yeah, so it doesn't have, you know, the full trail, you know, descending geometry that you might have. But the thing is, that efficient pedaling even helps with the downhill, because, you know, with racing, you're doing a downhill, but then you have little spots where you have to sprint out of a turn.
Yeah.
Or sprint up a little thing. And that efficient pedaling really makes it so you just get your power to the ground. So even with that, I would have fast times descending.
Yeah. So my strength a lot better than
Yeah. know if I need to have them see that we did that. So I love this bike. This is my favorite bike, but
How much travel? Is it 120, 120?
might be 120, 100. Rider up. But the thing is, I love that bike. I mean, if you get a good deal or a good arrangement on getting one.
There's a 2019 one, an S-Works for $3,900 on Pink Bike right now, and it's in great condition.
Wow, for an S-Works, dang.
I know, right?
All right, we're good. Oh, drop chain. Is it just as simple putting back on, or do we need a tool? We're good?